Hello everybody, I'm Alan. I'm going to talk to you about Cat Reman core acceptance criteria. Did you know that our entire remanufacturing process is driven by core return? It's what saves old parts from going to landfills, conserves energy during manufacturing, and keeps our supply chain going strong. And it's what helps customers get the remanufactured parts they need for a fraction of the price of new. That's why it's important for your cat dealer to follow the Cat Reman core acceptance criteria. But what is core acceptance criteria? These are the guidelines that help the cat dealer evaluate the condition of used parts returned by customers. From these guidelines, dealers determine whether these used parts are eligible for a core refund, and if so, how much. You see, Cat Reman runs on an exchange basis. Once your component reaches the end of its life cycle and you purchase a Cat Reman part, you can trade in your used part for that core refund if it meets the core acceptance criteria. Every product has its own unique and documented core acceptance criteria available at your local cat dealer. That said, cat dealers generally accept core that is salvageable, displaying the following characteristics. It's fully assembled and complete. It's not visibly cracked, broken, or welded. It has no non-operational damage, meaning it doesn't display mishandling, excessive rust, corrosion, or pitting, and it has an acceptable cat part number. Once you bring your core to your dealer, they'll do an on-the-spot inspection. From here, you'll learn the anticipated price for the exchange right away. Just keep in mind, we want the core in an as-removed condition, assembled and complete. Oils and fluids must be drained, but please keep the core dirty, as abrasive cleaning could impact the quality of the part and cause you to lose the chance to receive a core refund. If you have any specific questions about your core or the latest core acceptance criteria, reach out to your local authorized cat dealer. You can also find more information about Cat Reman products at cat.com/reman. We'll see you next time.